Are you interested in investing in real estate, but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll be discussing the top 6 real estate investing strategies for beginners. Whether you're looking to generate passive income, flip properties, or build long-term wealth, we've got you covered. From buy and hold to crowdfunding, we'll explore a variety of strategies that are perfect for those new to real estate investing. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into the top 6 real estate investing strategies for beginners. Buy and hold. The first strategy we're going to talk about is the classic buy and hold strategy. This is a popular strategy for beginner investors who are looking for a long-term investment opportunity that can generate consistent passive income. So, what exactly is buy and hold? Simply put, it involves purchasing a property with the intention of holding onto it for an extended period of time, typically 5 to 10 years or more. The idea behind this strategy is that the property will appreciate in value over time, while also generating rental income in the meantime. To make the most of the buy and hold strategy, you'll want to look for properties in areas with strong growth potential. This might include areas with high job growth, good schools, and access to public transportation. You'll also want to consider the property's rental potential. Is it in an area with high demand for rental properties? Once you've found a property that meets your criteria, you'll want to make sure that you're able to generate positive cash flow from it. This means that the rental income you receive should be greater than your expenses, including mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs. One of the benefits of the buy and hold strategy is that it can provide a steady stream of passive income, which can be especially appealing for investors who are looking for a long-term investment opportunity. Additionally, if you hold onto the property for a long period of time, you may be able to sell it for a profit when the market is right. So, if you're looking for a low-risk, long-term investment opportunity that can provide consistent passive income, the buy and hold strategy might be the perfect choice for you. Just remember to do your research, consider the property's potential for appreciation and rental income, and make sure that you're generating positive cash flow from your investment. House flipping. This strategy involves purchasing a distressed property, renovating it, and then selling it for a profit. While house flipping can be a risky strategy, it can also be very lucrative if done correctly. So, how do you get started with house flipping? The first step is to find a property that is undervalued and in need of repairs. This might include properties that have been foreclosed on or properties that are in disrepair. Once you've found a property that meets your criteria, you'll need to create a renovation plan and budget. This might include hiring a contractor to do the work, or doing the renovations yourself if you have the necessary skills. One of the keys to successful house flipping is to make sure that you're able to sell the property quickly once the renovations are complete. This means that you'll need to have a solid understanding of the local real estate market, as well as a marketing plan in place to attract potential buyers. Another factor to consider when flipping houses is the potential for unexpected expenses. Renovations can often uncover issues that weren't visible before, so it's important to have a contingency fund in place to cover any unexpected costs that may arise. Despite the potential risks, house flipping can be a very lucrative strategy if done correctly. By finding undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them for a profit, you can potentially generate a large return on your investment in a relatively short period of time. So, if you're interested in taking on a more hands-on approach to real estate investing and have the skills to manage renovations and marketing, house flipping might be the right strategy for you. Just remember to do your research, create a solid renovation plan and budget, and be prepared for unexpected expenses along the way. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts are companies that own and operate income-generating real estate properties, and investors can purchase shares in these companies to gain exposure to the real estate market. One of the benefits of investing in real estate investment trusts is that it allows you to diversify your real estate holdings without the need to purchase and manage properties directly. Real estate investment trusts typically invest in a variety of property types, such as apartments, office buildings, and shopping centers. Real estate investment trusts also offer the potential for consistent, steady income in the form of dividends. By law, real estate investment trusts must distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, which means that investors can potentially earn a solid return on their investment through dividends alone. Another benefit of investing in real estate investment trusts is that they are often more liquid than direct real estate investments. This means that it's generally easier to buy and sell shares in a real estate investment trust than it is to buy and sell a physical property. It's worth noting that investing in real estate investment trusts does come with some risks. Like any stock investment, the value of your shares can fluctuate based on market conditions. Additionally, some real estate investment trusts may have high management fees or other costs associated with them. Despite the potential risks, real estate investment trusts can be a good option for investors who want exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of direct property ownership. By investing in a real estate investment trusts, you can potentially earn steady income in the form of dividends, while also diversifying your portfolio. So, if you're looking for a way to invest in real estate without the need to manage physical properties, investing in real estate investment trusts might be the right strategy for you. Just remember to do your research, consider the fees and expenses associated with each real estate investment trusts, and make sure that the investment aligns with your overall investment goals. Wholesaling. Wholesaling is a strategy that involves finding and contracting to buy a property, and then selling that contract to another investor for a profit. One of the benefits of wholesaling is that it can be a low-risk way to get started in real estate investing. Because you're not actually purchasing the property yourself, you don't need to worry about the costs and risks associated with owning a property. To get started with wholesaling, you'll need to find properties that are undervalued or distressed. This might include properties that are in foreclosure, or properties that need significant repairs. Once you've found a property that meets your criteria, you'll need to negotiate a contract to purchase the property at a discounted price. This contract will then be assigned to another investor for a fee, which is typically a percentage of the purchase price. One of the keys to successful wholesaling is to have a solid network of investors who are interested in purchasing properties. This might include other real estate investors or individuals who are looking to purchase properties for their own personal use. It's also important to have a good understanding of the local real estate market, as well as a strong marketing plan to attract potential buyers. By doing your research and building a solid network of buyers, you can increase your chances of success with wholesaling. So, if you're looking for a low-risk way to get started in real estate investing, wholesaling might be the right strategy for you. Just remember to do your research, negotiate contracts carefully, and build a strong network of investors and buyers to increase your chances of success. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance. This strategy involves purchasing a property that needs significant renovations, rehabbing it to increase its value, renting it out to generate cash flow, refinancing the property to pull out equity, and then using that equity to repeat the process with another property. One of the benefits of the buy, rehab, rent, refinance strategy is that it allows you to build a portfolio of properties over time, while also generating cash flow from rental income. By refinancing the property after the rehab is complete, you can potentially pull out a significant amount of equity that can be used to purchase additional properties. To get started with the buy, rehab, rent, refinance strategy, you'll need to find properties that are undervalued or in need of significant repairs. You'll then need to negotiate a purchase price that allows you to make a profit once the renovations are complete. Once you've purchased the property, you'll need to complete the necessary renovations to increase its value. This might include updating the kitchen and bathrooms, replacing flooring, or making other cosmetic improvements. Once the rehab is complete, you can then rent the property out to generate cash flow. Once you have a track record of rental income, you can then refinance the property to pull out equity, which can be used to purchase additional properties. It's important to note that the buy, rehab, rent, refinance strategy can be time-consuming and require significant effort and capital upfront. However, if executed correctly, it can be a great way to build a real estate portfolio and generate consistent cash flow over time. So, if you're looking for a strategy to build a real estate portfolio over time while generating cash flow, the buy, rehab, rent, refinance strategy might be the right choice for you. Just remember to do your research, negotiate carefully, and work with experienced professionals to increase your chances of success. Vacation rentals. This strategy involves purchasing a property in a desirable vacation destination and renting it out on a short-term basis to vacationers. One of the benefits of vacation rentals is that they can generate significant rental income, particularly in high-demand vacation destinations. Vacation rentals can often command higher nightly rates than long-term rentals, which can result in higher overall rental income. To get started with vacation rentals, you'll need to find a property in a desirable vacation destination. This might include beachfront properties, ski chalets, or other properties in popular vacation spots. Once you've purchased the property, you'll need to furnish and decorate it to attract vacationers. This might include providing amenities such as a hot tub, a pool, or access to a nearby beach or ski resort. You'll also need to market the property to attract renters. This might include creating a website, listing the property on vacation rental platforms such as Airbnb or Vrbo, and advertising the property through social media and other channels. It's important to note that vacation rentals can be subject to local regulations and laws, particularly in areas that are heavily dependent on tourism. Be sure to do your research and ensure that you're in compliance with local regulations and laws before investing in a vacation rental property. So, if you're looking for a strategy to generate significant rental income in a desirable vacation destination, vacation rentals might be the right choice for you. Just remember to do your research, invest in a desirable location, and ensure that you're in compliance with local regulations and laws to increase your chances of success. That concludes our video on the top 6 real estate investing strategies for beginners. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, the key to successful real estate investing is to do your research, understand your goals, and develop a solid strategy that works for you. Whether you're looking to generate passive income or build long-term wealth, there are plenty of options available to you. So, take what you've learned today and start exploring the world of real estate investing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.